Are you planning to go abroad? Whether it's for study, work, or just a vacation, this video will guide you through all the steps, precautions, and some secret hacks to make your journey smooth and stress-free. From visa applications to packing smartly, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Research planning. Show a laptop screen with travel websites. Choose your destination. Research visa requirements. Check travel restrictions. COVID guidelines. Estimate your budget. Hack. Use Google Flights. Skyscanner to find the cheapest tickets. Step 2. Get your documents ready. Show passport, visa, and travel documents. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months. Apply for a visa, tourist, work, student, etc. Book your flight accommodation. Hack. Scan all your important documents. Store them on Google Drive for easy access. Step 3. Packing smartly. Show a suitcase with essentials. Take only what's necessary. Travel-size toiletries, power bank universal adapter, currency exchange in advance. Hack. Roll your clothes instead of folding to save space. Step 4. Safety precautions. Show a checklist. Avoid carrying too much cash. Beware of scams, pickpockets. Get travel insurance. Hack. Use a money belt or hidden pouch for safety. Step 5. Navigating in a foreign country. Show Google Maps translation apps. Download Google Maps offline. Learn basic local phrases. Use public transport to save money. Hack. Use apps like Google Translate XE Currency for easy communication.